I'm going to do a first look unboxing of this Wavytalk Pro Thermal Brush. This has been all the rave, and I've received this incredible tool in exchange for my honest review, and so here we go. Let's get started. Cool box. Ooh, it's pretty in pink. Comes in this nice case. Good instruction booklet, tutorial. That's so nice to come with a tutorial. Stands up right there so you can see it while you're using it. I love that. Oh, it comes with a great glove. Super. Oh, I love this. And it even comes with its own gator clip to help you clip your hair. How nice. What a thoughtful idea. Love that it comes with a heat protectant glove and a case. All so nice. And this is a cleaner for the brush. Okay, look how pretty it is. I've been doing some studying on this, and I know that this is going to be great. I like the little holder to keep the cord in place. Okay, now we're ready. The important thing with any tool is that you learn about it. Here's the on-off button, the heat control. And the neat thing about this brush, you can take it off, clean it off, use this little cleaner to clean it really well, put it back on. Okay, perfect. Now, you have these different heat temperatures. This brush is known to be very fast. It will heat off in 30 seconds. This brush is known to be very fast. It doesn't use air. It's just a heat brush, which makes it different. And it's known to be very effective and fast. You press the power button for 2 seconds, then you'll see a temperature come on. If you have thin hair, you should use 300. Normal or slightly curly hair, 330 to 390, and 420 for really thick, dense, curly hair. This tool works on negative ions. I've studied ahead, and let me tell you about this tool. It has a cool tip here for you to use as a wand. It does come with this great heat protectant glove so that you can protect your hand if you want to use it as a wand and move the curls in place. That's a really nice feature. It is advised that you brush your hair out first to make your first brushing be to detangle your hair and get it ready for use. It's up to 50% smoother hair with this tool. It is known to heat up in 30 seconds, and you will have a 10-minute blowout. This great tool is all the rage. I love all the details about it. It has a nice little rest here, so you can put it on your counter without having any heat damage. The cool tip, it has a swivel cord and a nice hanging loop, and even the bag itself is a nice little protective space to put it on. Love that. You will get all this in your Wavy Curl unboxing.